What up, what up, what up, YouTube world? So, I just hopped on here real quick to let y'all know, as y'all see what's going on. How y'all like the mask? Leave a comment. But, I'm about to go jump on my Ryker. I ain't hopped on it since the summertime, you know what I'm saying? August, September, somewhere around there. And the thing is filthy, you know what I'm saying? It's dirty. So I'm about to go hop on it since it's somewhat of 50 degrees cold out here in Denver, Colorado. And I'm gonna go take it to the car wash and wash it off, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give y'all a little visual with my new device, you know what I'm saying? Y'all catch that coming up here in a minute. So before the next, make sure y'all like, subscribe to my channel, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, about to hop on this bike, go take it for a wash, come back, and that's about it. Just wanted to keep y'all updated, let y'all know I still got that Ryker, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all follow me. We about to go ride real quick. Peace. What up, y'all? So, here's the deal. Since I don't have no vehicles to drive, like seriously, not one vehicle. Of course I got my Lexus, but y'all know we don't drive that. But since all my other cars are rented out and in the shop, I got to take the Ryker. Yeah. Ain't drove this since the summertime. So we about to take it to the car wash so y'all can see how dirty it is. And it's gonna be the first time wearing my glasses. So let's see how this works out going down the street, because I do got my mask on. How I look. So let's take a ride. Shit. Goddamn wind blowing already. It's cold. Should have put on my motherfucking biker jacket. Shit. Little hoodie ain't doing it. Can I use that real? What? Can I do that while you go? Vacuum. That motherfucker out of quarters. What's crazy is that I only need like $2 to wash my shit, but it takes $3 to use the damn thing. Do. I didn't even bring nothing to wipe the seat off with. That's some bullshit. What's up, man? Damn, I ain't got no towel. Shit. Oh, shit. You got a towel? You have a towel? A towel? Do you have a little towel?
Oh, yeah.
Just to wipe my seat. I done left my towel at the house. Yeah, just that's all, sweetie. Thank you. See? That's all I need. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's a little nippy out here, man. My toes getting cold already. Time to go home. Time to go home. All this motherfucking water is gonna splash back on me. Just wanted to give y'all a little quick update. Yep, it's cold, chilly. My toes cold. My toe is cold. Wonder how long that took. Probably 10 minutes or less. 3 minutes to wash it. Less than a minute to get there. Less than a minute to get back. So I would say 10 minutes. Let's go see. Oh. Motherfucker want to pill out and shit. Uh-oh. Damn, are that far over? Shit. Fuck that. I'm gonna have to roll this motherfucker up. I can't see. Alright, there we go. Alright. See? Left my towel here. Damn, mud all on the tires and shit. I don't like that. This weekend I'm gonna hop on it because it's gonna be way nicer than today. Today cloudy, ain't no sun out, so it makes it cold. But yeah, buddy. Had to pull her on out, give her a quick wash. Birthday Friday. In 2 days. So I'm gonna hop on this joint when it's nice, when the sun's out. But yeah. So that was just a little quick spin with the new eyewear. You figure, Dale? But I'll tap back in with y'all another time. Oh shit. All that damn mud. Alright. Yes, sir.